Hi, dear friend. I'm grateful and I'm really glad to meet again. And welcome to another episode of ABC Useful Tip. And in this video, I'm really glad that I'll be showing you a very wonderful function that all teachers wanted all along, and that is the ability to select students randomly. All right, out of a list of all your students in your class. All right, and so this in this video we're going to demonstrate to you this wonderful app function that is called the student selector. All right, easily in your handphone. All right, that it will be allowing you to be able to select any students randomly at any time. All right, and to be able to call them later on, skip a person, and then later. And at any time you will be able to check who have you picked already, who is left over to be picked, and who's absent. The benefit of this student selector function is to allow the students to be randomly selected so that they will be able to present, while at the same time they feel excited about being selected because it's so random, right? And everybody gets a chance. Okay, so it gives you an opportunity for students to be able to speak out in class, and at the same time increase the joy of learning. So if you love this video and you love to be the first one to be notified video in the future, please click subscribe right at the bottom, right, or this line on top, right, and please remember to click the bell so that you'll be notified firsthand. Give us a comment. Okay, so we will next dive right in. Now we'll show you step by step how do you access this random student selector, and this function is actually in Google Classroom mobile app. It's only available in the handphone mobile function, okay, of Google Classroom. Right, so just click straight into the Google Classroom, click into the you are teaching. Right, at any one time you can access this random student selector by very easily at the bottom clicking people. Okay, and then at the top right hand corner you will be able to see these 4 square boxes icon, and that is the student selector. Click on that icon, you will be brought straight into the selector. The first student has been selected randomly. Okay, so there's no qualms, no hard feeling, and everybody feel excited, all right, whenever their name appears. All right, so in this case I'm going to demonstrate how this can be used in a certain class, a lesson. Okay, let's say in the beginning of the lesson you already have a game as a starter. All right, like for example this what am I game right on top of this stream of my Google Classroom. Okay, this is a lesson game, okay, that will entice the student to love your topic or your lesson beginning, like by playing a game. And if you want to know more about this game, you can click the line on top. Okay, it's a video to show you how you can create a game like this, okay, to increase the joy of learning of the students. Okay, so next we're going to show you how this game is like. So very quickly show you the reason why a random selector is useful. Okay, so this is a game. At the beginning the students will be asked to immediately click their answers after looking at certain pictures, clues, okay, what this clue could be representing. All right, some student will be able to hand in, and I've actually marked one of the students right at the bottom, ABC student. All right, and let's say imagine during this class of 4 people, one of the students is not around. Okay, learn, joy, laugh, the first student on top, imagine he or she is not around. I'm going to demonstrate if he's not around, how do you click in the random selector. And let's say for example the middle student assigned, meaning haven't submitted, the student hasn't submitted, learn, laugh, joy hasn't submitted, and when he or she is being selected, what do you do with that? Okay, so let's go straight into the random selector as a demonstration. Okay, so the random selector right here at the bottom, clicking people at the bottom right, click right at the top right hand corner, the icon, the 4 boxes, click, and that is random selector. First person chosen is Talent Cosmo, and Talent Cosmo has submitted the work. Ask him or her to present, explain, okay, or mention why did he choose the answer. All right, so if the person has answered, okay, presented, all right, and very excitedly because the first person to be selected, what you can do is you can click next at the bottom. All right, or a fun way to show your students is that you can actually click the name and then just swipe it somewhere, swipe it to the left. All right, next person will be selected. All right, so in this case it's learn, laugh, joy. Remember, learn, laugh, joy hasn't submitted, okay, and the person, maybe the student explained why and in this case the particular reason is that the student has actually given a command, okay, private command to the teacher, and then you look at the command, and then the student asks, I am not sure which answer can I actually put to, all right, so maybe you can just mention, okay, that select one of the best. Okay, so ask the student to go ahead and answer again. Therefore, you need to skip this person, right? Okay, so in this case, we will go back to the random selector again. Okay, to skip the person, what you need to do is just click on this word called call later below the person's name. Okay, click on the call later, it will be skipped. His name will be skipped. All right, so on top you see the number of people being picked is the first person just now, only one. Okay, so let me just click on one picked, okay, to show you who's the talent Cosmo has already presented. Learn, laugh, joy is still back to the list of non-picked. Okay, skip the person. All right, so let's just carry on. The next person being selected is ABC student. Okay, and the person will explain, describe, demonstrate. Okay, finished. Swap it to the side. All right, the next person, learn, joy, laugh. Okay, so just now we said the scenario is that he or she is not present. Therefore, you can click absent and therefore totally skip him or her. So you click at the bottom, absent. The number absent on top will be 1. Okay, let's click on it. Okay, that name under absent at the bottom, learn, joy, laugh. All right, so he or she will not be selected again. Okay, the non-picked person on top, you can see, is left with only learn, laugh, joy. Okay, so let's just go back there, and then you see the last person appears, learn, laugh, joy. Okay, so you ask him or her to, after submitting again, to present. Okay, so once he or she finishes, okay, just swipe up. Okay, that's it. The session ends. Everybody has been selected once, all right, except the one absent. So you can immediately end the session, and once you click start again in the middle, it will regenerate again for you to select everybody once more. Okay, start. Okay, once more. Okay, so in case, let's say for example, you are in the middle, all right, and then you would like to reset, you can anytime do that, okay, by clicking on top right hand corner, reset the word. All right, by clicking that, it goes back. Let me try, demonstrate, confirm it in the middle. Okay, it will go back to 0 again. All the students will be back to the non-picked list. All right, cool. Okay, I hope you love this particular demonstration of a wonderful app that all teachers have been waiting for. All right, Student Selector. All right, to make it exciting to pick students to present. Okay, if you love this video and you would like to be first to be notified of future video, please remember to click subscribe at the bottom, or click this round button, all right, to subscribe. All right, please remember to click the bell so that you can be notified anytime. Okay, and give us some comment how you can really use this selector to entice students to love learning in your class. All right, and I hope to see you again. Have fun. Take care.